Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, both URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, and URL, Uniform Resource Locator, are classes that represent resources on the Internet. However, they serve different purposes and have different characteristics. Here's an informative tutorial to help you understand the differences between them, along with code examples. Hashtag. What is a URI? A URI is a string of characters that uniquely identifies a particular resource. A URI can be a URL, but it can also be a URN, Uniform Resource Name, which is a name for a resource that is not necessarily tied to its location. In Java, the java.net.URI class is used to create and manipulate uris. Hashtag. What is a URL? A URL is a specific type of URI that not only identifies a resource but also provides a means of locating it by describing its primary access mechanism, example its network location. In Java, the java.net.URL class is used to create and manipulate URLs. Hashtag. Key differences. 1. Scope. URI can be a URL or URN. URL, always a type of URI. 2. Purpose. URI identifies a resource, but does not necessarily provide a way to access it. URL provides a specific way to access a resource. 3. Structure. URI can be more complex and can include both a scheme and a fragment. URL must include a scheme, like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, etc., and can contain additional elements like a path, query parameters, and a fragment. Hashtag. Code examples. Hashtag. Example 1, URI. Hashtag. Example 2, URL. Hashtag. When to use URI vs URL. Use URI when you just need to identify a resource without needing to access it directly. This is especially useful in applications where you are dealing with multiple resource types, example URNs. Use URL when you need to locate a resource and potentially access it over the network. This is common in web applications and when working with APIs. Hashtag. Conclusion. In summary, while both URI and URL are used to represent resources, they serve different purposes. Understanding their differences can help you choose the right one for your application. Always remember that a URL is a specific type of URI, and you should select the one that best fits your needs based on the context of your application.